Alright guys, so check this out. These are organic Del Monte bananas. Now I've never tried organic bananas. I've tried regular bananas and these are on sale, so yeah, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so here are the organic bananas, so let's go do a quick taste test. You know what I'll tell you? It's not as sweet. Now I don't know if it's because I haven't let it sit long enough, but it tastes like a regular banana, but not as sweet, but maybe more has more of that tartness of a banana. So and also the taste is a little bit like milder. So all right, guys, if you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.